Hello, welcome to Jewelsteps. In this video, we will learn how to create a purchase invoice in a Jewelsteps. Go to the transaction tab and click on the purchase invoice to create a new purchase entry. And select the supplier name. If the supplier is new, you can quickly add their details from select the plus icon. As of now, I'm selecting the existing one, Anish Jewelers. Now add the item, manually enter the product information. Like I'm selecting the product name is mixed jewelry. Add the carat 22K gold. Add quantity 50. Cross weight 100. You can also add the making charges if applicable. Then just click on the add shift. After adding all the items, review the total purchase amount. Now proceed to the payment section. Like select the payment modes such as a cash, bank, check, UPI card, metal exchange. Currently I'm selecting the cash payment. Just select the same. You can also add the comment here for the reference. Now click on the save. Once this invoice is saved, the system will be automatically update the stock and the account records. So how to check? Now go to the inventory, select the barcode. From here you can see the bulk order barcode is generated. Product is mixed jewelry, cross weight is 100. Voucher type is a purchase invoice. From here you can check your inventory stock. Thank you.